In this video session, we will understand how to create a radar chart. Now, radar chart should be used where you have to compare two or more products across multiple features. An example could be I have taken, let's say, a survey of existing users and asked them to rate each of the features for the phones from 1 to 5, and I have a data. Let's say this is the data. So features of a phone are RAM, weight, battery life, processor, operating system, etc. So I can compare the two phones and I can show them graphically on a radar chart. Another example could be, let's say, on a performance appraisal. You have for employee 1, employee 2 across the multiple criteria like quality, punctuality, performance, all those things. So wherever you have some features and comparison of two or more products, two or more people, or the same person across time, you can use radar chart. So let's see how to create a radar chart. We'll select this data, we'll say insert, and radar chart is present in your this category here, which is insert waterfall radar chart, and here we'll select the radar chart. Now you have multiple options, we'll select one by one. Let's say the title is phone comparison. Okay, so what do you see? So you can see that phone A is blue line, orange line is phone B. You can say on RAM phone A is 5 and phone B is 4. So this is a comparison. So you can see that this is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. These are the 5 rating that you can see. On weight, phone B is 5. Battery life, nobody is getting any 5, 3. Processor, phone A is 4. Processor, phone B is 2. So this way you can compare. Okay, if let's say suppose a phone gets, let's say, 555 all. Okay, so you can say, okay, this becomes like here a pentagon, and this is the best phone that you can have, right? But see, this is not the case for any of this product. So now let's change the chart design. So you can have this different designs you can create, but the essence remains the same, a comparison. But we will see other designs also. Okay, we can see this. So here you have a dot is placed wherever the values are there. Then okay, so this is like now a fill has happened. Now you can use the chart depending on your requirement. However, I would say that either of this is okay. Okay, and you can compare multiple phones also, but recommendation is that don't compare more than 4 phones or 4 products, because then it becomes very much cluttered. Okay, thank you.